Hey, welcome back to another episode of The Bemused. I'm Mishak.
And I'm Akiva, and on this channel we talk all things personal finance for young adults just like us. So if you're into that, come join the squad by hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications by hitting that bell icon so that you never miss a single video from us. So many people around this time of year are super excited. You know, it's January, it's the beginning of tax season. People are looking forward to those big fat refund checks to do God knows what with them.
Take those trips. Stop eating ramen. I don't know. There's so many things. The list goes on and on and on. You've seen the memes. People who go from, eating ramen, now they're eating steak at, the local expensive restaurant, whatever it might be. They're taking trips. They're doing all sorts of things.
But here's the real question we're trying to answer in this video. Are tax refunds good or are they bad? We're going to be going over the pros and cons in this video, so stay tuned.
So the first reason why I think tax refunds are good is I think the main thing that most people are trying to avoid is owing the government. If you're getting a refund, at least in my book, you know that you don't owe anybody. So you're fine. So whatever that refund is, whether it is $1, whether it's $1,000, as long as you are getting something back, in my book, you're A-okay.
But on the contrary, tax refunds are not always good. Because if you don't own the government and you're getting a tax refund check, especially a big check, that basically means that you've been loaning the government money all year and they've been holding on to your money and making money from it when you could have had that money in your pocket all year round.
That's a great point. I can admit. But I think the most of us, the average person, that's not how we think. I've spoken to people where they get upset, where they get, like I said, a small refund. Some people get a large refund or ecstatic and excited. But I think all of those people, no matter what that refund amount was, that although I agree with what you're saying is that the opportunity to save or to earn interest on that fund or to invest it even, that those opportunities are there. But I don't know, and I think most people might agree, the average, person, that you just don't want to owe. Even if it's 50 cents that you owe or $1.
But on the flip side, there's a lot of people who, like we said in the beginning, don't know how to act when they even get that kind of money.
That's true.
So for some people, getting that kind of money is not okay. Because all they do is they blow that money. And it's the most terrible time in terms of financial decision making for a lot of people. So if you have a smaller refund, that's just less money to throw down the drain every year.
So, second reason why I believe tax refunds are good is that it could be used as a savings tool for you. If you are living on less, like I do, that's my personal strategy. I learned to live on less so that when I get my tax refund around tax time, that money I can use it towards whatever I want to do. You know what I'm saying? I can use it for a trip. I could use it to jumpstart a savings goal. I can use it to buy some things that I've been meaning to buy, and maybe I've been, giving myself time to research products, see which one is the cheapest, which one might be the best for my buck. So it kind of gives me a long period of time to really do some digging and some research while my money is being saved. Every time I get paid, the government's taking that out, they have it, and then boom, when I file my taxes, I get it back.
But then, with that same logic, over the course of the year, as you get paid, you get more money in your paycheck that you could be putting aside to save toward that same said goal. So,
again, third reason, are you disciplined? If you're not a disciplined person, then I think maybe the tax refund, and I could see where you could take this in the bad way, but if you're not disciplined, at least throughout the year, the money has been kind of guarded by someone where they've been taking it for you, and then they're going to give you that money back. Now, what you choose to do with it at that time period when you get it back is up to you, but hopefully, if you're like me and you say, well, hey, I've been living on X every 2 weeks and I've been making that last, this $2 or this $500 is not really going to change that, and you do something a little bit more responsible with it. Whether you choose to, like I said, give it to charity, whatever you choose to do, but just do something responsible with it. I think that if you're taking that approach, then it's a good thing.
But all in all, the point is, guys, if you're going to take the route of getting that big tax refund, just use it wisely. Yeah. Going back to the video I did, what was it called? I think it was called The Secret to Not Being Broke. I'm gonna link it up here, link it in the card so you guys can check out that video to see kind of what you should do when you do have a little bit of a windfall with money. Just make sure you use it wisely if that's the route you decide to take. For others of you, like me, who may not like as big of a tax refund and want to kind of put that money to work throughout the year, it's kind of the same principle. Whatever excess you have, use relatively loose term, just make sure you use that wisely. So are tax refunds good or bad? Neither, honestly. It really just depends on the individual. So you just have to know yourself. So that's what we have for you guys today. Make sure you stay tuned because in the month of January, we are hitting you guys hard with some more tax related videos as we go into tax season. So be sure to check out our new videos every week in the month of January on taxes. And if you guys are interested, we are also posting micro content on our Instagram, which I will put not a link to, but a card here with our Instagram handle, so you guys can check that out every single day with a very short tax tip to help you own your taxes this tax season. So go on over to our Instagram and check that out.
So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you never miss when we post a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.